If you are dealing with Instagram and Facebook campaigns, PitchGround is here to save you. Again. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. Building and launching Instagram and Facebook campaigns for a small business can be a high hassle. There are too many options to select from, the platform isn't that intuitive, and it seems like paid social media marketing is something that is impossible to tackle on your own. That's why PitchGround brings you a lifetime deal for AdPuzl, a tool that enables you to launch powerful ad campaigns in minutes without the need to learn how to use bulky software. Select a goal, create ad, customize audience and budget, and confirm. That's it. Even if I could do it, surely you should be able to. Create your very own ad campaign, even if you have no experience making them. Now go get that lifetime deal for AdPuzl on pitchground.com, and may the force be with you. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.